Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw this ceramic pot in 3D modeling. We are going to use revolve command this time. To use revolve command, whatever you are going to draw, you need to create the side profile. For that you need to be in the front view, and for this part I'm going to redraw that for you. So you're going to draw ortho on and draw a straight line that is 18 inches, and then you're going to draw at the base 3 inches line, and now you're going to offset this. So first offset is going to be at 3 inches. The second offset is 5 inches. And all the ones after that are going to be 5 inches as well. I'm going to change this color to center layer because this is a reference diagram. So we're going to draw these lines. The first line is 3. The second one is 6. Third one 8. Fourth one 6. And the last one 4. Now you're going to select this spline from the draw panel, and you're going to start your spline from that point. You can turn your ortho off, and you're going to keep on clicking on the end point. But over here you need to create a neck for the pot, so you can create that as per your liking. Okay, and then enter at the end. Now you have this profile. At this point you can use fillet to smooth this out. So let's use fillet and give it a radius of 0.75, and then you can trim this extra piece here. Okay, so the profile is ready now, and this is the axis, the point of symmetry, the line of symmetry in the middle. And now you're going to use the revolve command. One more thing is that we are going to join this line and the line below. Since we want to keep it open from the top, we are going to leave that alone. We are not going to use that. You can delete that. Let's go to the 3D modeling interface. Click on under the arrow under extrude and click on revolve. command line. It reads revolve, select objects to revolve. So you're going to select objects to revolve. You notice that it did not join it. Right click, enter, and click on the line of symmetry, and it's now you just enter. And you have your part. Now we need to give it some thickness, because currently it's just like a surface. So type thicken, and it says thicken, select surface to thicken. So you're going to select the surface, and select those surfaces as well, then enter. And then you are going to specify the thickness. We are going to give it 0.5, which is ½ inch, enter. And now the part is thickened. Now if you want to check the bottom of it, we selected it, so we are going to use union to combine all of these together. And now when you select that, it's a complete one item. I'm going to erase these. And then let's go to home and create a rectangle. We can give the background some darker color to highlight the object. Now your turn. Happy drawing.